Hi, I'm Dan Klobowski. I am a culinary specialist here in Southern California. I'm here to work with you on the IPRO 2 today. We're going to go over the cleaning procedures from start to finish and the things that you need to get it going. First, we're going to need a cleaning kit. With the cleaning kit, you're going to have your container, your solution, your brush, and you're going to need food-safe machine lubricant. When we start our cleaning is we're going to turn off the lid. Once you turn your unit off, set it to defrost by setting your switch to the center position. Now we're going to drain the product from the unit. One barrel at a time so you can hold the bowl in place. Once you've drained your product, go ahead and put it in the cooler. After you clean the unit, you're going to put the product right back into it. We're going to add clean water to each bowl to rinse them out. The Sterashine is going to use a 2-ounce portion of the cleaner, and you mix it right in to the 2-gallon container. Now add 2 gallons of water. Once you've added water, you're going to give it a complete shake. Put the lid on, pick it up and shake it. Then you're going to test the pH on the water. To test the pH on the water, you're going to use one of the strips. You're going to dip it right into the water, and you want to be at 100 parts per million. We're right there. Then what you want to do is make sure you take off the syrup line and the water line. Once both of those lines are disconnected, you want to disconnect the power and the jump line. Once your syrup lines and power lines have been disconnected, you're going to remove the lids and set those to the side. Now with the lids off, we're going to pour our solution into each of the bowls. Once you've poured into the bowls, you're going to brush around for 2 minutes, getting anything that's up on the sides and in between. Now we're going to drain the solution right back into the container. We're going to remove the tray and then start draining the solution. Now that we drained the Sterashine solution, we're going to add clean water to each bowl to rinse them out. Once your bowls are filled with clean water, go ahead and drain them and do it a second time. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and reassemble the IPRO. First, we're going to start with the tray. Okay, go ahead and grab that product that you got from the cooler, put it right back into the bowl. Now we're going to go ahead and put our lids back on, starting with our plastic lids. And then each lid. Make sure you be careful to slide the guides right in. Then the second lid, the guides right in and down. Now that your lids are back on, go ahead and reconnect your power and your daisy chain. Then you're going to connect your syrup and your water. And don't forget to flip your switch back to the on mode. Then your final step is to flip back into the freeze position. And to make your product a little bit more attractive, don't forget to turn on the lights. That's how you clean your IPRO. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.